The Sun. Our Sun is the nearest star and the largest object in the solar system. The estimated age of the Sun is about 4.5 billion years. Glowing ball of hydrogen and helium gases. The distance between the Sun from the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. The gravity of the Sun holds all the objects of the solar system together. At the central region of the Sun, known as the core, the temperature can reach as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. At this temperature, a process called nuclear fusion takes place in the core which powers the Sun. The visible surface of the Sun, known as the photosphere, is relatively cool and has a temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. About Aditya L1. Aditya in Sanskrit means the sun. The L1 here refers to Lagrange point 1 of the Sun-Earth system. Aditya L1 is the first space-based observatory-class Indian solar mission to study the Sun. On 2 September 2023, 15:51 p.m., India has successfully launched its first solar observatory, Aditya L1, by PSLV C-57. The spacecraft is planned to be placed in a halo orbit around the Lagrangian point 1, L1, of the Sun-Earth system, which is about 1.5 million km from the Earth. A satellite placed in the halo orbit around the L1 point has the major advantage of continuously viewing the Sun without any eclipse. Major science objectives times understanding the coronal heating and solar wind acceleration. Times understanding solar flares and near-Earth space weather. Times to understand the solar atmosphere. Aditya L1 science payloads. Times to understand solar wind distribution and temperature. The Visible Emission Line Coronagraph, VELC, studies the solar corona. The Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope, SUIT, payload images the solar photosphere and chromosphere in near ultraviolet, UV. The Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment, aspects. Plasma Analyzer Package for Aditya, PAPA, payloads study the solar wind and energetic ions, as well as their energy distribution. The Solar Low Energy X-ray Spectrometer, SOLEXS, and a High Energy L1 Orbiting X-ray Spectrometer, HL1OS, study the X-ray flares from the Sun over a wide X-ray energy range. Lagrange points for a two-body gravitational system. The Lagrange points are the positions in space where a small object tends to stay if put there.